Today, you'll learn how you can use ChatGPT to generate an entire video sales letter with the help of prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. Now, you could use this as a script for your videos on your website and sales funnels to sell more of your products. So let's get started. Okay, so video sales letters can sometimes take hours or even days to complete, but not anymore with the VSL template from Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so to get access, you need to go to keywordseverywhere.com, and this is a browser add-on that you can install for Chrome and for Firefox. So the first step is for you to install Keywords Everywhere, and the next step is for you to log in to your OpenAI account. Now, with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side, and the second thing is this continue button on the top right-hand corner. So to get access to the video sales letter template, we are going to click on the templates button right here, and this will open up the Keywords Everywhere's ChatGPT prompt templates widget. Okay, now we need to choose a category. So the VSL is under marketing, and we need to click on miscellaneous. And this is the video sales letter template, VSL. So we're going to click on this, and the widget, as you can see, expands. Now we need to give it some additional information. You can choose from these different languages. I'm going to click on English, and you can choose from all these different voice tones as well. I'm going to click on enthusiastic, and you can choose from different writing styles. I'm going to click on informative. Now we need to tell it what we sell. So for this example, let's just say we need a VSL to help promote a matcha green tea product that we are selling. So we're going to type in matcha green tea right here. And we need to tell it where we sell this product. Now, you can enter the location of where you sell it, or if we sell it all over the world, you can enter worldwide. So I'm going to enter worldwide right here, and you can signify how many words you want this VSL to be. I'm just going to leave it at 1200. And lastly, we need to let ChatGPT know our call to action. So I'm just going to say, click the buy button now. Okay, so that's going to be our CTA. Now this is our prompt template, okay? Now this automatically gets updated according to the options that we've selected above. You can see here for the enthusiastic voice tones, the prompt template says you have an enthusiastic tone of voice, and then it goes on to say you have an informative writing style, and it continues. Now you can edit the text in this prompt template, but this has been created and tested to generate some very good VSL scripts for you. So I'm not going to change this template whatsoever. I'm going to click on execute template. ChatGPT will generate the VSL for us, as you can see, and in just a couple of seconds, it is done. So check this out. It first created a user persona for my product, matcha green tea. So this is a table of demographics for the user persona. So as you can see here, my user persona's name is Sophia. She's 28 years old. She's a yoga instructor. She makes $50,000 a year. She's single with no kids, and she lives in LA. Now, ChatGPT generated a video sales letter for this above persona. ChatGPT gives us some ideas in terms of scenes we can add to our VSL video, right? So it says opening shot of a serene yoga studio, and you can see the scripts are right here. So it says narrator with an enthusiastic tone says, welcome Sophia, you're a busy yoga instructor with a passion for healthy living. You're looking for a way to boost your energy and focus during your long days, while also supporting your overall wellness. Well, we have just a thing for you, matcha green tea. And then here's another idea of a scene, cut to an enticing image of a steaming cup of matcha green tea with a frothy top, and then the script continues. So within just a few seconds, you have an entire VSL script that you can use to create videos to place on your YouTube, add it to your website, and of course, your sales funnels. And these VSLs are a perfect way to sell any product you wish. Now I want to touch on this continue button on the top right-hand corner. Now if you hover over this button, you can select from different actions to tell a ChatGPT to do after it generates the VSL. Okay, so you can tell ChatGPT to continue where it left off. you can tell it to clarify the VSL, to exemplify it, expand it, explain, rewrite, shorten it, or even tweetify it, okay? So let's just say we are done with this VSL script and we want to promote our product on maybe Twitter and social media. So what we could do is click on tweetify it, and ChatGPT will turn this VSL script into a single tweet. Okay, so here you go. Boost your energy and focus with our premium matcha green tea, convenient single serving packets for your busy lifestyle. Click to buy now and take your health to the next level. So it has a hashtag here and a handful of emojis. So you can use this and tweet it out or post it on other social media platforms to promote your product. And feel free to click on these other actions as well to see what additional type of content ChatGPT will come up with, okay? Okay, so this is how you can use the prompt templates widget from Keywords Everywhere to generate an entire video sales letter for your business. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. With that said, we will see you in the next one.